Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow participants to use annotation tools to add information to shared screens on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button at the top, then click on Settings. On the left side, tap on Meeting at the top, and then you should scroll down to the In Meeting Basics section. And here you can find this annotation feature that you can turn on and allow saving of share screens with annotations, and only the user who is sharing can annotate. So you can add these additional options and tap on the save button to update this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.